Davido and him crew don't come give us another headache, oh my people. This particular set of people, in fact, if una know how everybody don't tire for them, my people, another one don't happen. This one, they say they go on lunch, say, I don't know, they go get fun, enjoy themselves. I know, nobody know where to come bring problem. They start a fight person for that place. So the place where they fight, saloon, they close to that side. You understand? Now, so one of the staff for the saloon come outside, say, make I even check. You understand? Make it, maybe not break any of our property. And to hold and behold, as he go outside, it can't happen, say they don't spoil something. Now, simple thing, this guy just open mouth talk. He say, see, you people are breaking our property. Only that one. My people, now so they come, in fact, they forget person where they don't they beat before. Come handle this guy. The guy come they bleed. In fact, the matter just it just enter critical gear. For now, we don't know what they happen because now too they sleep. I don't bring una correct matter. So join me, make we watch the video.
Men have done to our staff right here. They beat the guy as if the guy is still. The guy didn't do anything. They beat the guy. But we punish all of them. You guys can see. The guy didn't do anything. Look how they beat the guy. See. Look how they beat the guy. As if the guy didn't do anything.
Davido and their men, they came to police lounge to catch fun. So there was beating some guy. We are inside our working place. We are working today. So they were beating some guys. So one of our staff now went outside to check that what was going on. Before the guy went outside, they see that the guy see that they have already spoiled one of our property that they dropped there. The guy was like, you guys have spoiled our property. They didn't even want to hear what the guy was saying. They were just beating up the guy like as if the guy steal something. I was just crying that what was going on. Why are you doing this, Davido's men? And Davido didn't even say anything.
Now go come outside, can they give us many reasons why Davido know they at fault, why Davido no do this one. See, I always they talk one thing and that thing I go still talk again. You fit get all the money for this life, but money no fit buy you class. You understand? It no fit buy you class. No, see, I not just don't understand. Davido, wetin be your problem? Whether una go tell me now, Davido was not there, Davido this one. No be people. No be the leader. No only Agbero just full these people group. Agberos everywhere. Waiting. We no go drink water drop cup for Nigeria because Davido get crew members. We no go walk out free for road because Davido get crew members. Person no even feel voice out in mind again because Davido get crew members. What happen? Now the reason be this. Why nobody even like this their Davido group. Now the reason be this: any small thing violence, and matter even reach me say this thing no be the first time where they happen. Apart from the ones where me myself I don't, you understand, I don't experience. It don't they happen before. Haba, baby, una safe make una try get small conscience. Now why not even they support this? Una remember that NSAS thing where they say Davido go they lead, Davido go they part. I not even support them from the one. How you go call the support NSAS? Me and then your crew they behave like SAS. Which kind of contradiction be this one? If you dey one side, make we know say you dey and behave yourself because all this Chineke. Now why people no even like this Davido matter? Because when people they talk say, hey, we don't like Davido, we don't like. I can't wonder say, but this guy na cool guy. They sing where they do. Now don't they see him? I don't they see everything. You know if they do charity works and then they condone inhuman behavior. This is inhuman. How you go beat person picking? In the first place, you be public figure. You be celebrity. People they look up to you. So it gets some things where you're not even supposed to do. I don't say once in a while we they get issues, we they get things where go warrant fights. But if you must always remember who you be. Remember say people they look up to you. No, they carry this kind of behavior. It's no good. What do you call they teach people now? So now tomorrow you go stand for microphone front. They sing about love. You and who they sing love. Show us by action. Show us your action. Not be just to sing. Maybe people love your song. They make money. My people, if Davido no change this to his crew, they go bring him down for. They go bring him down for very serious, because now he don't dey go everywhere. People don't already see. Once you mention Davido, people just dey think fight. Many people now, una go just dey open mouth. Many of una no even know wetin happen. Una no even know. Una just because una una favorite artist, una no even want look good side of the matter. He is wrong. He is wrong. And no matter how una go say he was not there, I don't care if he was not there, as long as say na the leader. Una go even dey shocked say na Davido even send them make they go fight. If it happen, you understand? Because see, we live in a world now where people no wan go do dirty work. They prefer to dey get people where they go dey send. I no to say he send them, and I no to say he no send them, because now anything dey possible. Tomorrow una go hear say he send them. Una go shut up. Una go shut up. Money. Now this guy, he go just go hospital now, go spend small salary. We don't even know how much the guy even dey earn. He go spend his small money now, say they treat you. Una no see the back, how they bleed. You know nice, oh. You know nice. I beg all of una. When you know say you get fame, you get power, you get money, anywhere where you belong to, as I don't mention, I beg, try to dey humble yourself. Try to dey humble yourself. Say your papa get money, no mean say we all go die. We not go die because of you. So please, Davido, I dey beg. If no be you send these people, make we just assume say no be you. Before I go to say I don't talk. You understand? At least talk to them. Make they stop this rascal behavior. If the only thing where your gang they do not to fight, it better make you no kukuma get gang. See Whiskey they there. As I talk am before, no be saying people know they get problem. But Whiskey matter, you know go dey hear like that. Una too dey behave childish. This is childishness. In fact, I beg, wetin I talk? Childlessness. I beg, English no be my language. Anyone we need how we want take her. I dey vex. And now, because all of una we no say know the guy where they involved, where they injure. I beg make una in fact, Davido in people and the police people, I don't dey call una out now. Make that guy go receive treatment. And make you no pay one dime. Una go make sure say una take care of every bill where una need take care of. Because no be insane una make una dey behave like agberos. I know they accept violence, I beg. I know this one, no, na out of heart. This one don't pass. You don't pass matter. I know that. No be say you be God. Where we go say, okay, oh, God don't come. I beg. Nobody there above the law. You understand? So if this crew member need to be arrested, make they carry them go jail. If the video they involved, making to follow enter jail, nobody there above the law. No come tell me say your father is this, your grandfather is this. I don't care. Make everybody where they involved inside this matter, make they arrest them. Very, very important. Not when they tell me matter, when I get money, I go they misbehave. I know they inside that nonsense. So, my people, now the matter where I bring now be this. So, if you know say you there against waiting I talk, make the battle start for that comment section. May we start and I go they reply now one by one. You understand? And again, if you like the vex for waiting I talk, that subscription you go subscribe now by force. So make sure say you subscribe. I still love you now, and now just they make me they put serious face. You understand? I remember people, may we go on to our next story.